1, 2, 3, action.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Dizul Amirul Hakimi bin Dizul Karnain.
I'm Ahmad Danish bin Raja Fikri.
My name is Muhammad Izikri bin Muhammad Raja.
I'm Kaisa Fazalnio from Selangor Secondary School of Malaysia.
Introducing
Our innovative project,
HYDROSOLAR-PANEL. This device was created to study the combined effectiveness of hydroelectric and solar panel systems. This device can double the electricity production using renewable energy from the sun and the rain. This device is also expected to compete with solar panel because it is more effective, self-sustainable and advanced because it is able to make rainwater, which was initially said to be a pest and gives off reflections of sunlight which affects the DC power generation process. But now we use the rainwater as an electric generator as well. In the production of HS panel as a mere experiment, 70% of the prototype are made from recycled materials. In implementing this project, we have also used 3 types and more journals as one of our study sources. These journals are named Renewable Energy Journal, the Types and Benefits of Solar Panels Journal, Global Warming Journal, and On-Grid Solar Panel System Journal. The smart product has 2 methodologies at different times and ways, even though the difference is not very significant.
So, the objective for our project is first, to reduce non-renewable energy consumption from our world level. Second, to extend the lifespan of non-renewable energy for use in more important aspects and services. Third, to compete with the existing solar panels. And last but not least, our biggest objective for this device can be used for countries live in equatorial line. This is because this device is very suitable for use in places that always experience rainy and hot weather, such as our country, Malaysia.
for your information, we discussed the HS panel methodology using 8 systematic steps, starting with research, design, specification, define, testing, development, requirements, and evaluation.
As you can see, we show the forecast of Malaysian energy resources. The Malaysian Energy Center has predicted that Malaysia will turn into an importer of core energy from 2000 to 2035. Again, we can also include solar and hydro energy as one of our important sources because our country is rich in sunlight and rainwater. Therefore, with the presence of hydro-solar panel, we will be able to increase the percentage of renewable energy consumption regardless of Malaysia or in globalization.
Based on the graph, it can be seen that our world is very vulnerable to non-renewable energy. Since the energy is not renewable, one day the energy may be depleted. Therefore, we as the inhabitants of Earth need to find a way out of non-renewable energy consumption. With our new smart device, our Earth can endure the depletion of non-renewable energy.
As you can see, these are the material we use in creating our prototype. The material we use consists of our purchases. In order to represent a house, we use recyclable item, which is cardboard. On the other hand, we use mono SI solar panel and water pump mini hydro generator turbine flow in our project. We also use other recycled materials such as transparent paper and some PVC pipe. This is because we want to save on our expenses.
As the details, we use transparent paper to prevent water from overflowing, while the water pump generator is used to generate hydroelectricity. Solar panel to absorb sunlight and convert it into DC power, and lastly, PVC pipe to drain excess water out from the hydro pump.
So how does this hydro solar panel works actually? In hot days, solar irradiance from the sun. After that, the solar panel will convert sunlight into DC power. Then the inverter will convert DC power to AC power. The electrical box will link AC power to all house appliance wires and channel electricity to them.
When it's rainy, the rainwater will flow down the solar panel and then enters two PVC pipes, channeling it into the hydroelectric generator that processes it into DC power. After that, the inverter will convert the DC power to AC power so that it can be linked to the main electrical box in our houses as a supply of electrical energy for all home appliances.
Okay, how many volts our HYDROSOLAR panel can produce per day? It's very simple. The energy produced by the solar panel is calculated using a solar charge controller. The average volt produced by the solar panel is 14.4 volts per second. Meanwhile, the water pump mini generator turbine flow produce 500 watt per rainy day for the model. For commercial usage, the solar produce 14.72 volts per day and the water pump mini generator turbine flow produce about 1000 watt per day. This energy is enough to be supplied to a house at all times indefinitely.
Therefore, when this hydro-solar panel is used throughout our country, it will help in reducing the use of non-renewable energy. Besides, the AC power generated by our device is environmentally friendly and clean. Meanwhile, this device is more sophisticated and efficient than solar panels because it works in two kinds of weather conditions. Furthermore, our products can also reduce the spread of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide. This is because if greenhouse gases are spread out, it will cause global warming and climate change. In the end, we also plan to take this project to a higher level and make it into Hydro-Solar Panel 3.0 one day soon.
Sendiri kau tetap di sini.
Let's go.
Lihat telus ke dalam mataku buat
Untuk sikit. Akhirnya kita stop. One, two.
Kan di sini luahkan semua perasaan hati.
Hai, saya Kaisel, Ahmad, Iki dan Dizul.
Actually kan, hijau gila tu kau subscribe.
Okay, ready lah. 1, 2, 3.
Close your eyes, I'll be there for you.
Grandma. 2, 3. Hai, sekejap. 1, 2, 3.
So close.
Lagi satu korang pixel. Aduh.